Welcome back to week 3 of our bee nuke checkup, and let's just get into it. Now we're going to get into the hive. There's not much sugar syrup left, so it looks like these bees have eaten it down. It's time to refill it soon. Smoke our bees. And what I have right here is just a handy dandy hook. You can hook it on the side and place your frames right over here. And let's get into our hive. Our first frame, there's not much going on. The bees are starting to draw it out. Let's grab this second one, and it looks like on this one there's a lot of brood, which is good. That means our queen's doing good. Put that over here. This hook is great because it gives you more space to work in your box. Alright, this one, a little bit of brood. A little bit of honey coming in at the top. Same with this other side. Try to take a quick look for our queen just to see what she's up to, and so we can point her out to y'all watching at home. And here it looks like we just have some brood with eggs laid in it, freshly drawn. So you can tell the bees have been busy. Alright, so we're getting into this one. Quick check. Alright, there's our queen. She's right there. You can tell by her enlarged abdomen and how she's more of a caramelish red color compared to the rest of the bees. Put her back in. We gotta be careful we don't smush her. One, freshly drawn. Looks like they're doing more brood and eggs. Same on this other side. This one, same as the rest, a little bit of pollen, honey at the top, some nectars up in there. This side, mostly pollen. A little bit of brood, but not as much as our other frame. Alright, this next one looks like there's just a little bit of nectar, not much going on here. And then next frame looks like a lot of drone comb. They're starting to fill with honey. You can see the honey, capped honey right at the top. Same on the other side. Alright, and this outside one, not much. Starting to draw a little at the top, but not much really going on here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to checkerboard them in, leaving the one with the drone comb out on the outside so they can so they can fill it in with honey. Alright, so this one can go on the outside. This one I'll set over here for now. Alright, we're going to take this one, put it in here. We have this one right after it, hoping the bees will draw it out a little faster. We have a good one right here. We keep in. Take this plastic one that was on the outside, put it right here. We have another good one. We can move, looks like this one. Outside, push all these over. And put this last one just right on the outside. Alright. Shift these over a little just to get it fit a little better. There we go. We're going to center our frames in our box. put the feeder back on. And we're gonna fill it up. I have 1-to-1 sugar water right here. And we're just gonna fill it up. Some on this side. And then the rest of it on this side. Giving our bees some sugar water so then they draw out the comb faster. And then we'll just put our top back on, center it, center this. This hive is about to explode because it's packed with brood and larva and eggs. So we gotta do something with it next week. We can either split it and form a new hive or add a honey super on top. Y'all decide by commenting in the comment section down below, and we will show you how we do it next week. See you then!